So you'll be able to tell when your door bar needs replaced when you go to push the panic bar, if the latch does not go all the way in, or as you twist the handle, if it does not close all the way. If this piece is missing at all, it'll definitely be time to replace your door bar. These will come as a standard length. Depending on the size of door that you have, you might need to cut down part of the end. Look at the ones you've already got installed. If they're full size, you won't need to cut them down. If they are cut down, that'll be a pretty good indicator you need to cut yours down too. Again, take your old door bar off, measure the length, and you can use that as a guide to mark your new one to the appropriate length. We'll start with a number 2 Phillips, removing the end plate and main striker cover plate. This will give access to the screws at the front and the bracket at the back so that you can remove the door bar. Old one comes off. Take your new door bar, match your old one up to it, and mark the same length so that the reinstallation goes smoothly. Take your part, you'll cut it down. Door prep to assemble and put the new one on. We'll start by removing the 4 cover screws. This will give you access to the screw holes when putting the door back together. If you leave the back bracket on and reuse it, you can align your new door bar to the old one. Start replacing screws. Test your functionality. Go ahead and close the door, make sure it latches. All right, we'll replace covers, and that's replacing a door bar. put the new one back on, 4 screws to hold it in place, 4 screws on the cover, and 3 on the back cover. And that's the door bar.